Welcome to another edition of the Math Academy. Today we're solving a system of equations and we're solving it by using the substitution method. The equation that we are solving, the system that we are solving is 3x minus 6y is equal to 9 and 5x plus 4y equals 43. Step 1 in solving a system says to solve one of the equations for one of the variables. It does not matter which equation you solve first or for which variable, but it is best to use which one seems the easiest for you. So I'm going to solve the top equation, which is 3x minus 6y equals 9, and I am going to solve it for x. When solving for x, this will give me 3x is equal to 6y plus 9. I'll divide everything by 3, leaving me with x is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2y, plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. I like to call this my revised equation, my RVEQ, okay? And I'll come back to that in just a second. So that takes me on to step 2. Step 2 says to take the other equation, in this case is 5x plus 4y is equal to 43, and we want to take our revised expression, the 2y plus 3, and we want to sub that into the other equation. So I have it set up as x is equal to 2y plus 3, so I'm going to take this 2y plus 3 and I'll make the substitution where the where the x variable is, which will give me 5 times 2y plus 3 plus 4y is equal to 43. And I'll solve this equation for y. Over here on the left, I'll just use my distributive property and distribute the 5. 5 times 2y gives me 10y. 5 times 3 gives me 15. Bring down the 4y equals 43. Combine like terms on the left. 10y plus 4y is 14y plus 15 is equal to 43. Subtract 15 from both sides. That'll leave you with 14y is equal to 28. Divide both sides by 14. That leaves you with y is equal to 2. So now that we know y is equal to 2, we can use this value and sub it back into, you can either sub it into one of the original equations. Personally, I like to use my revised equation, my RVEQ, because it's already set up as x is equal to. Okay, so for step 3, let me give myself just a little bit more space. So for my step 3, it becomes x is equal to 2y plus 3. Okay, that was the revised equation. We now know that y is 2, so I'll take the 2 and I'll sub it back in where the y variable is. This will leave me with x is equal to 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that gives us the solution. X is 7, y is 2. And do be clear that this is an ordered pair. So if I write it as an ordered pair, x is 7, y is 2.